After finishing the trip in the mosque, Bibi Khayyab Mosque, I'm going to the most important tourist destination, that is Registan. Registan is the strait, and all the tourist destinations are within the vicinity, as you can see. Actually they are in the group, so no need to be in these four-wheelers for roaming around. As you can see, the beautiful mosque. From here the better view is coming.
Yes, when I made discount, yeah.
So the beautiful, excellent. But how can I carry in airport? In airport it will break.
Yeah. No.
Airport, luggage, the break.
And Scotch has the. Then this and hand
Hand
yeah.
baggage. After finishing the Bibi Hayat Mosque, I have got, I'm showing you, I'm going to Registan with him. With him I'm going to Registan. Like actually we came across in the tram. This is the way by which in abroad they will come across the many people. As you know, he is, I think you are Jafar, no? Your name? Ozad. He's Ozad. So I came across Ozad. With Ozad, I'm going to explore the remaining places in Samarkand, because tomorrow I will be leaving Samarkand and going to Taskand. And Taskand I shall stay for 2 days, then going back to country. So I have missed the beautiful place, the Zafran. Zamin. Oh, if I would have known that.
Bro, did you like our country?
Yes, obviously. Uzbekistan is nice, Kazakhstan nice, Tajikistan very good, Turkmenistan I don't know. No one can go there. It's very difficult to get the visa in Turkmenistan. Have you gone Turkmenistan, Ashgabat?
I know.
You know?
I know.
So you can see the beautiful, the cycling. So how much do they take for the cycling?
Bicycle.
Bicycle like this?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Are you right?
I can't bus because both of us, if there we can try like this is.
This one or this one?
No, this one.
This one, okay. I'm sorry. Go.
फ्रेंड्स, भाइयों आप देख रहे हो, ये है रेगिस्तान। दुनिया के सबसे बड़े मॉस्को में से एक है रेगिस्तान। नाउ आई एम इन रेगिस्तान, सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर द रेगिस्तान, द ज्वेल ऑफ उज्बेकिस्तान, लेट इट एक्सप्लोर ओवर देयर। So a lot of tourists over here have come here, and Ozad, here is Ozad. I'm showing the Ozad.
Yeah.
You tell something in Uzbek language. Uzbek language, not English. Uzbek.
Samarqand juda go'zal joy. Keling, dam oladigan joylar juda ko'p. Bemalol kelsalaringiz bo'ladi Samarqandga, Registonga, ayniqsa Registonga. Thanks, bro.
Thanks. So in my channel, this will be shown over here. Everything, everywhere. The people are loitering over here. So come, please. So it's a mind blowing. In night, is there any show of light and sound, something like that? During evening? Let me have some snack. Casa office. Casa office.
I need a ticket.
Okay.
Can you pay me for ticket?
Okay. How much? Ticket office. Where is the ticket? Here is the casa. Is the ticket office here?
Yeah. Yo, 1 minute, bro.
Okay. No. I've seen there's a ticket office here. Ultimately, I have reached to Registan, the jewel of Central Asia. Better to tell the jewel of Central Asia, jewel of Uzbekistan.
In Samarkand central place.
Samarkand in the central place. In the Samarkand in central place. This is actually of Amir Taimur Palace, mausoleum. Better to tell.
After we will go to Gur Amir.
Gur Amir is next to my hotel. Gur Amir.
Yeah, next.
Just next to my hotel is Gur Amir.
Yeah. Did you go?
Obviously. So here we should stay here for 1 hour at least. So beautiful, a lot of photographs. Unbelievable. One can't believe the beauty of this palace. Once you come, then only can understand what a beauty. So
Best historical place, bro.
the best historical place ever seen. I must tell, the best historical. He has rightly said. Azad has rightly said, the best historical place I have seen. And one thing I am telling you, that these are the actual sculpture of Mughals. The Amir Taimur, that means Taimur Lang. Taimur Lang was the Mughal king, and he came to India from this Uzbekistan. And the Mughal emperor, the establishment of the Mughal emperor was done by Amir Taimur. Amir Taimur was the first king of the Mughal emperor, after which Babur. Then Akbar, Shahjahan and all other kings came one after another. So the first route of the Mughal emperor in India, the first route of Mughal emperor of India is Taimur Lang, Amir Taimur. And this is made by the Amir Taimur. See, I'm quite excited to show you all these things. I'm बहुत ही मैं चौकित हूँ आप लोगों को ये सब दिखाने के वास्ते. मतलब आप सोच भी सकते हैं जो तैमूर लंग का किया हुआ सब निदर्शन है उन्हीं के ज़माने का. तो तैमूर लंग ऐसे एक शख्सियत है जिन्होंने उज़्बेकिस्तान से हिंदुस्तान गए थे वो जयलाभ करने के लिए, मतलब अपना मसला हासिल करने के वास्ते उन्होंने वहाँ पे गए थे. तो ये एक्चुअली अभी हिंदी में अभी बोल रहे तो ताकि किसी को समझ में ना आए, वो लूट करने के लिए गए थे, लूट करने के लिए. तो जब उसका लूट वाट हो गया तब वो फिर वापस आ गया. फिर उनका जो पोता था बाबर गया राज करने के वास्ते. तो शायद आपको मैं समझा पाया. तो मुग़लों का बड़े पितामह अगर कोई कहा जाए तो तैमूर लंग, अमीर तैमूर, उनका भी स्कल्पचर मैं आपको वीडियो करके दिखाऊंगा. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं अमीर तैमूर का स्कल्पचर. तो फ़िलहाल अभी तक तो ये देखो जो तैमूर लंग के बारे में जो अभी तक सुने हैं, और तैमूर लंग के बारे में जो सुने हैं ये है तैमूर लंग का किया हुआ. ये सब आज से ये दिस बिलोंग्स टू द 14th century. I wrongly told you this belongs to the 14th century. Actual year I can't tell. I will try to find it out, but I'm not sure what's the actual year. But it belongs to the 14th century. This Registan Square. See, I'm showing you another part of this Registan. See, these two buildings are face to face. What does it mean? Can you tell anyone? Yes, one part for the Amir Taimur Lang and another part is for his wife. So both of them would have sit to see the drama and other things. And these are the other members of their family. This is why these three big monuments are made of, as you can see. So one thing I must tell, with the help of Azad, I'm seeing a lot of things over here. Azad is helping me a lot. So I must tell that when Azad will come, then it's my duty. He's my host right now. So when Azad will come, I shall make him see my city, Kolkata, properly.
Bro, I'm sending a video message to my family.
Okay.
What's your name, bro?
Debasis. I'm from India.
Yeah, bro, my friend.
Okay. Hi.